Okay guys, so I'm going to make this as easy as possible for AI influencers. This is literally all they are doing. I'm going to show you how to do it. So right here we have the AI influencers headshot. This is mine that I already have. Now what you do is you go onto workflows, you click digital twin, click your headshot, click the reference image that you want to replicate, and all you want to do is hit generate twin. Now what this is going to do is it's going to actually recreate the image but in a different way, because obviously you wouldn't want to copy the exact same image. This is the easiest way I've found how people are getting these sorts of images without prompting. So let's do another one. Right, so here we have our image. As you can see, it's took my influencer's headshot and this gave me a similar image with excellent quality, and this was the reference image. This is exactly what they're doing to get these type of photo shots. Now if you was to do this in a way of prompting, you would then have to say female in a car and it would be very long-winded. Right, so here's the next photo that was generated. There we go, and as you can see, the influencer looks exactly like how my influencer's headshot looks. This was the reference image. Let me put that there. And then obviously you can go on to changing the outfit. You can make other changes. And this literally works for any reference image that you put into it. Now, the good thing about this is it's not copying the image. It's making a different variation of it. Now, this is the best method I've found so far out of every way, because it saves you the hassle of actually having to prompt. So the image quality comes out amazing. Let me just do a comparison. That goes there. And literally, like, look at that. That is insane. Then I can actually go to workflows. I can add accessories. I can change the background. I can do a face swap. Anything I want. The thing is about these influencers is actually they're making a lot of money. They're getting brand deals and they're actually getting a lot of likes from females and males. It's actually insane. Right, so here's this image. Let me just, okay, so let me enlarge this image and you can see the detail is just insane. The Chanel bag, the sushi. Compare it to the influencer's headshot, it's pretty much identical. Same hairstyle, same everything. This was the reference image we used. And like I said, it's not exactly the same. It's had its own variation, which is the best thing about this. And if I was to generate this in 4K, it would be double better quality. And just like that, I've literally got 3 images ready to post on Instagram without literally doing anything. All I had to do was click workflows. That was it.